Before you buy your next Toyota, you need to hear this, because the badge that millions trust has been slipping badly. We're talking engines failing early, batteries dying without warning, frames rusting so dangerously that some trucks literally snapped in half. Toyota recalled 1.9 million cars for software failures, 500,000 more for oil consumption, and nearly 1 million trucks for structural damage so severe owners were told to stop driving immediately. And after digging through lawsuits, owner complaints, technician reports, and hidden service bulletins, I found the 13 Toyotas you should avoid at all costs. This list won't just save you money, it could save you from buying a catastrophe disguised as a reliable Toyota. Let's start with the one Toyota hoped nobody would question. Number 13, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 250. The legendary name came back, but the legend didn't. The new turbo hybrid? Underpowered, struggles when towing, overheats on moderate climbs. Drivers reported the throttle lagging like it's stuck in the past, and the hybrid system jerking around in city traffic. Inside, it's even worse. Panels creak, trims flex, fabric wears before 10,000 miles. For a $55,000 icon, it feels like Toyota spent the budget on marketing, not engineering. This isn't the triumphant return fans were promised. It's a rushed revival with a famous badge slapped on top. But Toyota's mistakes don't stop with gas engines. Their first big EV launch was an embarrassment. Number 12, the 2023 Toyota BZ4X. Yes, the one with the wheels that literally fell off. Not loose, not might wobble, fell off. Toyota had to issue an emergency stop driving order. Charging speeds? Pathetic, especially in cold weather where owners waited hours to add a couple dozen miles. Range? Lower than advertised. Software? Buggy. Controls? Confusing. Toyota even offered to buy some back because repairs couldn't fix fundamental engineering flaws. For a company famous for reliability, this EV was the opposite. Rushed, unfinished, and unreliable from day one. Next up is the truck that left loyal owners feeling betrayed. Number 11, the 2022 Toyota Tundra. New design, new engine, new suspension, new problems. Wastegate failures caused whining noises and brutal power loss. Screens froze mid-drive. Backup cameras died. Entire infotainment systems rebooted while towing. The new coil spring suspension made it comfortable until you hauled something, then it felt unstable, loose, and unpredictable. And add early axle recalls and rust complaints, this wasn't Toyota entering the modern truck game, this was Toyota experimenting on their own customers. But you haven't seen betrayal until you look at the next car. Number 10, the 2021 GR Supra, a gorgeous Toyota on the outside, a BMW Z4 underneath, and with it, BMW problems. Electronic failures, cooling system problems, oil leaks, ECU malfunctions. Owners reported check engine lights before the first road trip, misfires under light load, and expensive repairs that the warranty didn't always cover. Some dealers even pointed fingers at each other because Toyota sold the car, but BMW made the guts. Fast? Yes. Fun? Absolutely. But reliable? Let's just say it inherited the wrong family traits. Number 9, the 2013 Toyota Matrix. Supposed to be a solid, practical hatchback, instead it became one of Toyota's quietest mistakes. The 1.8-liter engine burned oil like it was free. Rough idle, random stalling, misfires before 80,000 miles. Automatic transmission slipped, delayed, and sometimes died altogether. Inside, everything rattled. Dash, doors, even the seats aged prematurely. A Corolla this was not. It was a money pit in disguise. Number 8, the 2013 Toyota 86. Lightweight, nimble, fun, until the engine shut off mid-drive. A defective valve spring caused sudden engine failure, complete power loss at speed. Toyota recalled it, but the recall fix often broke engines that were fine before. Lawsuits followed. Owners paid thousands, and cars with barely 30,000 miles were dying on the highway. Thrilling to drive, devastating to own. Now, number 7, the 2006 Toyota Tacoma. A truck so loved, yet so dangerous. Over 800,000 units had frames that rusted so badly they cracked, bent, and in extreme cases, snapped in half. Owners failed inspections. Shops refused repairs. Putting it on a lift could cause the frame to split. Toyota replaced some frames, but only if the truck hadn't already rotted beyond saving. From the outside, they looked fine. Underneath, they were disintegrating. Number 6, the 2012 Toyota IQ. Toyota's smart city car, except nothing about it was smart. The CVT died early and often. Airbag recalls, steering issues, unstable on highways, tossed around in crosswinds, and dangerously slow during emergency maneuvers. Inside, it felt cheap. Everything wore quickly, and it was cramped even for one person. Small car, big regrets. Number 5, the 2011 Scion XB. The quirky box that aged like milk. The 2.4-liter engine drank oil faster than some sports cars. 1 quart every 500 miles was normal. Skip one top-up and you risk destroying the engine. Paint faded, interiors rattled, the suspension punished you over every bump. And by 2015, Toyota killed the entire Scion brand, the XB included. Number 4, the 2011 Corolla XRS. A sporty Corolla? Nope. A thirsty, oil-burning disappointment with sluggish performance and questionable reliability. The Camry engine inside was already known for ring wear and oil consumption, and in the XRS, it was even worse. Clutches wore early, automatics shifted awkwardly, it looked quick, but drove like a tired rental car. Number 3, the 2010 Prius. The most famous hybrid in the world hit a dark chapter. Brake failures terrified owners. Complete loss of braking power at low speeds. Then came the massive 1.9 million car recall for hybrid system software errors that could shut the car down instantly. Hybrid batteries failed earlier than expected. Inverters overheated, cooling systems malfunctioned. Saving fuel didn't matter when repair bills hit $5,000 or more. Number 2, the 2007 Toyota RAV4. Toyota's top seller, but this year was a disaster. Loose, knocking steering, faulty intermediate shafts, transmissions that failed early and violently, electrical issues, suspension complaints. Consumer Reports gave it a shockingly low score, something unheard of for a RAV4. Many loyal Toyota owners were burned for thousands. And number 1, the 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Iconic looks, rugged image, but driving it? A nightmare. Massive blind spots made lane changes feel like a gamble. Steering was vague, ride quality was harsh. Body roll on highways made long trips tiring. And because of its unique design, parts were expensive and broke more often than you would expect from an indestructible Toyota. Yes, it has fans, but a cult following doesn't make it reliable. Now you know the Toyotas people regret buying the most, the ones where the badge hides the truth. But here's something even more shocking. There are brands out there right now that quietly outperform Toyota in long-term reliability. Brands most buyers overlook, but shouldn't. If you want to know which companies truly build the most dependable cars today, click the video on your screen. It'll change how you shop for your next vehicle.